Good morning, students. Topic number 7. Let us solve our own problem. Problem in civic life. The girl is complaining about the water shortage in her locality. Inadequate supply of water is a major civic problem in cities, towns, and villages. This boy expressed his discomfiture about foul smell from garbage piled up on the road. Disposal of garbage is major civic problem in cities and towns. This girl complaining about the traffic jam on roads. Heavy traffic jam and pollution from the exhaust of vehicles are major civic problem. This problem become acute when there is no separate track for riding bicycles. This boy complaining about the delay in disposal of land dispute by the court at taluka places. Delay in disposal of dispute and piling up of cases is major problem. Sometime if we turn blind eye towards the problem, they become worse. So it is solve them in time. Issues in civic life. The problem faced by people in cities and villages can be called issues in civic life. Opening of manhole in road above drainage system is big issue. The road are not uneven in cities is big issue. In cities cause death due to road accident. Burning of garbage is big issue in cities. The drainage let into road is a big problem in cities. In pandemic condition, in coronavirus, spread in community is a big issue. So all precaution can be taken by the civilians is responsibility of every citizens. First one, to keep the social distance, use face mask, wash the hand and sanitize ourselves. So issues in civic life cannot be solved with support of everyone's efforts and cooperation. Today we learn the issues in civic life. Thank you.